Just got home from work. Gonna have a Taco Tuesday tonight. Got my ground beef here. Handful of seasonings there. Lettuce, cheese, crunchy taco, salt taco, sour cream, salsa. I'm gonna try to do a quick video today for Taco Tuesday. Just some ground beef tacos, nothing else. Alright, try to do this real quick. Obviously, since it's just me, I won't be using all of this today, just a portion, but I'm gonna season the whole thing before I toss it in and put some in storage. You already know. We have adobo, every Spanish person's favorite seasoning. You know me, I don't measure, just sprinkle. And even if it gets on the cutting board, that's cool. We'll just rub it in. Garlic powder up next. We're not using too many seasonings today because I just want to have a nice, quick, fast dinner. Parsley up next. And to finish up real quick, Sazón. Sorry, moving a little bit too much. Toss it all on there. No, clean hands. Already washed my hands. Just gonna rub this in. Rub it all over the board. Oh. And like I said, ooh, look at that, damn. We are not using all of this today. Just get all that seasoning up. Try to fix myself real quick. And what I'm gonna do is just take a small portion of this, putting in my frying pan that is on a level 4 heat. And then I'm just gonna add just a spoon of that homemade sofrito that we like to use. This is actually pretty cold right now, but it smells delicious. Get a quick look at that. Hopefully when I just throw it in the pan, we're gonna hear a nice tss. You know what I mean? Alright, so I'm just going to use a small portion of ground beef for today. Nice and seasoned, smells good. And I'll just put the rest in the container in the fridge for another day. Either tomorrow or the day after, whenever. I'm going to toss this right in there. It's been heating for about 3 to 4 minutes. Just going to slap this thing on there like a burger, and then we'll break it up as it cooks. That's the sound I was going for. Add that spoon of sofrito, like I said. And we're gonna mix that all in there. I'm done. It's only been in here like 2 or 3 minutes. It's getting cooked pretty fast. One of the easiest things you could cook on a day off, or even after you come home from work, like I just did today. Man, it smells good in here. Trying to keep the camera nice and still for you guys. I know I was shaking earlier. Still haven't got used to this like neck thing that I use to hold the phone. We'll check on this in like another 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, it's been 3 to 4 minutes. Most of the beef is barely see any pink anymore. You do see all that seasoning in there. It smells amazing. Once we're almost done cooking, like any of this grease that you see, we're going to drain that. Keeping it fast, plain simple today. Maybe the next time I do this, I will add peppers, onions, and really spice it up. Just more to fill up the tacos with. But today we're going to keep it simple. Ground beef, cheese, lettuce, sour cream, some taco sauce. Call it a day. I'm tired, man. Just want to eat. This will be my first meal of the day, too. I just wake up, go straight to work every day. Especially now, like, I've been trying to make more time for cooking, recording, uploading to YouTube, putting videos together and whatnot. It's been a lot of fun. It has been a lot of fun. Just hit 85 subscribers today. And I'm trying to push to 100. It's my first goal, I guess, for YouTube is to hit 100 subscribers. Hopefully everybody enjoys these cooking videos, and I'll continue doing them, and we could get some people from all over the world to watch, subscribe, like, and comment. See me stuff my face. And got some good coloring. So you know I seasoned it well. Drain it real quick. Get rid of all that oily grease. Drain it real quick, toss it in a bowl, and then we will be ready to make some tacos. I already showed you earlier what the vibes were for tonight. We're gonna do some crunchy standing stuff. Lettuce, cheese, taco sauce, sour cream, ground beef. Let's see if I can do this. Ooh, look at that. Looks good. Ooh, technical difficulties already. Giving you guys the extra close-up. Getting a taco in 4K. Or maybe 1080, I don't know. We're trying for 4K. I don't know. However you guys do this, it's your preference. But I do meat, cheese. Ooh. Meat, cheese, sauce. Getting everything close up. Quick little fail. After the sauce, we're gonna hit it with some lettuce. Just drop that in there. Getting sloppy right now. But it is what it is. So be it. And then we're gonna hit it with some sour cream. I should have did this slow motion. Let that drop. It's a little sloppy. We'll make some nicer ones later. But quick little how-to. At least how I make my tacos when I'm feeling hungry and lazy. Made 2 tacos off camera real quick. Just to give you guys a nice little look inside. I switched it up. I did sour cream, then ground beef, then taco sauce, cheese, then lettuce. I already devoured the first taco. I'm starving. I'm only doing this so we can make the video a little bit longer, just to give you guys some more content, I guess. Still got plenty of meat left. If you can't eat 3 tacos on a Taco Tuesday night, don't go out with me, and don't come to my house if I'm cooking. 3 is the bare minimum for any human being. I'm making that rule right now. But hey, hit that like button, subscribe, comment. More cooking videos coming soon.